Hi and welcome to Tor Options. For you guys who don't know me, I'm Tor and I like to write puts. For today I'm gonna talk about the market and recent events. After that I'm going to give Tor's takeaway on option strategies. So far today the market is up around 1.4% and VIX is down 9.6%, and I'm up nearly 2.6% since yesterday. The first day of 2021 has been rather volatile, but I actually enjoy it because options becomes more expensive and hence I can sell for a fatter premium, and that's what I like to do. So after yesterday does settle down, Trump said that the transition of power from Trump to Biden will occur peacefully, which is a very good thing regarding yesterday's event. As well, both the senators in Georgia went to the Democrats. We saw Nasdaq reacted ill to it at first, but today it has erased those losses. Another part of the stock market that is really enjoying it is Russell 2000. And that's not a shock given the blue wave. It raises additional hope for stimulus and a larger relief package. And small caps need it the most to keep the wheel going, essentially. And as well, for those smart traders that saw the event yesterday developing, they bought a shit ton on stocks on Smith & Wesson. Yesterday Smith & Wesson increased nearly 19%. Today it's down 9%, but anyway, this is what I love about the market. People see that X event is happening and they know exactly where to go. How can I earn money on this? The hindsight on somebody is incredible. It's really cool. I like it. That's essentially what I love about the stock market. Anyway, today, as normally, which is a Thursday, jobless claims come out and it was unexpectedly below 800k. The jobless claims on week ended 2nd January was 787k, and this is a very helpful signal to see that jobless claims are continuing to go down, and we hope that it continues this downturn as it has the latter weeks. And also, for those who think that these numbers are bad and hence the stock market should go down because jobless claims are so high historically, they need to understand one thing. Yes, you are correct, the numbers are bad, but given the state of the economy, it is actually very expected that it is as bad as it is. Yes, in a normal state of economy, this will actually be pretty bad, but it is expected to be that, and hence, since the market expected to be this high, then the market won't go down. So this was the recent events that I found worthwhile to mention so far. So let's move over to Thor's takeaway on option strategies. So for Thor's takeaway on option strategies, I want to talk about when Thetagang becomes deltagang. So remember, Thetagang is all about earning money on time decay on option contract. The closer you get to expiration, time value on the option will diminish more and more. And at the end it's really the gamma that drives the value of the option contract. But anyway, the reason why I say when Thetagang becomes deltagang is because since the low of March in 2020, many new traders have entered the market and hence only sold puts, naked or credit spreads. Given that the stock market just kept going higher and higher. Yes, we had two small corrections in there in like September, start of it, and right before election between it. But given that Delta has always worked in your favor in this crazy run-up, it is easy to think that Theta works in your favor. But I'm just telling you, don't get tricked. Because since the underlying has always gone in your favor, and then Delta has also always in this crazy run-up also worked quite well for you. So it's easy to think that it's Theta that works for you, but when it's really just Delta, because think, 1 September happened, everybody was quite down pretty much, given that Delta worked very hard against you, and you did not earn any money on Theta, really. So I think it's very important to try to be a little bit more delta neutral in your Theta portfolio, like sell call credit spreads, like put in something there so you become more delta neutral, so you actually earn more money. Or not earn more money, but that you can see that theta works more in your favor compared to just only delta, if you understand what I'm trying to say. But I'm not against this strategy at all, but it's just a reminder to think about your delta in your portfolio. So this was it for today, and until next time, happy trading!